The one and only Niana Guerrero, over the moon with SB19 Simula at Wakas Philippine Arena Day 1 concert. Famous dance and social media personality Niana Guerrero attended the Day 1 of SB19 Simula at Wakas World Tour kickoff concert at the Philippine Arena. And based on her posts and reactions, she is very much pleased and satisfied with the concert. She posted, "You all, the SB19 concert was fire as always." Napapost din ito ng "Tumabi ka dyan" at napareply sa isang fan post with, "This was truly insane." Niana has also posted a few video clips on her IG story. At hindi lang yan, may dance video pa with AC and Harvey na kasama niyang nanood sa Philippine Arena kasama ang Mahalima.